me to do some sort of mating call?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Oh, hi.
Hello.
Hey, Steph. So as you know, it's musical week this week. So I'm going to tell you about some of my favorite musicals. I could never choose my favorite musicals of all time, and it just changes like daily. So right now, my favorite musicals are The Book of Mormon, Next to Normal, and The Last 5 Years. Those are the three I've been listening to pretty much non-stop. And of course, Joseph. Huh?
So yeah, I don't know if you've heard much of the Book of Mormon, but it is freaking hilarious. I have a copy for you when you get back. I'll definitely hook you up. It's so funny. Even Mike likes it. Like, legit. I made him a copy of the CD. It's hilarious.
Also, I'm not sure if you've noticed, but I'm sitting in a car, and maybe you don't recognize it, because it's Mom's new car. How exciting is that? So you were kind of right the other day. You were kind of like, what is that car? I didn't lie to you. It was like a rental while Dad's was in the shop. However, we didn't tell you that we were getting rid of the Sunfire and we got this car instead. So Sunfire is no more. We have this car and we have the red car, which is on the street, but you can see in the rearview mirror, there's the red car.
So yeah, pretty excited about that. No more milk crate holding up our seat. Yay for not being ghetto. And that's pretty much it for me this week. I hope you enjoy the clips of musical. Caitlin is doing an awesome job. It's so good, the dances. I only filmed one of them. I haven't filmed the other one yet because they're not quite finished. So I'll hook you up when they're done that. But yeah, I guess I'll give you a little bit of a tour of our new car. And we're excited to see you.
So here's the interior of the car. It's got all the huge, got some fancy things up here. Hello. Here it's got something pretty cool. That's pretty neat. Automatic windows, yeah. We got one of those iPod things, just like the red car, so that's awesome. Cup holders, a spacey looking thing. Nothing new over here. Back seat view. So yes, here is the outside of Mom's new car. Don't get confused like I am when I say Mom's new car, because technically it's totally Dad's, because we're not really allowed to drive it. We just get to drive that beaut, but whatevs. They claim this is Mom's and that's Dad's, but you know how it is. And I'm totally going to be putting Diet Pepsi in the water bottle holder in the car. Awesome.
editing, I realized that I also have trips from the baseball game that Kaylee and I went to, and my trip to Grand Forks, so I'm going to put those in this week's video as well. And also, it looks like I'm wearing this, well, I am wearing the same thing, but I swear I've washed it. I don't know, I must just really like this dress and wear it a lot or something, because I think I've worn it in multiple videos. Kind of weird. Count how many times and tell me in the comments. But really, anyway,
Kaylee, are you excited for your...
Oh, I'm so excited.
What are we doing here, Kaylee?
We're watching the Goldeyes Game 4, scenes 12 and 13.
And look at all these people next to us. And also here. This guy is sharing sunflower seeds with the kid, and the other guy is sitting on his lap. The Goldeyes are
we're poolside! But look how lame that is, it closes at 10.
So here we are at the hurricane simulator, and Dana's gonna go in for us and show us what it's all about. There's Candace putting in the last dollar.
You're gonna get raped. You're gonna get wet, Dana. Hurricane water.
No! Dana, look, it's on the ground.
Are you watching how fast this boy?
Just to be clear, we can feel the air out here. It's like... Dana, move your head. I need to see how... 78.
Your hair looks great.
What are your thoughts on your...
It was cold.
on your hurricane adventure?
There was no water. Too hungry. Candace. Our show is going to be Candace. We're good. Oh.
He knows how excited I was. I saw him and I was like,
give me my quesadilla now. So I'm going to tell you what the biggest quesadilla was. I saw him, I was like, yes.
here we go. I'll be right back.
I'm so hungry.
How hungry are you, Sammy? Tell me about it. Turtle cheesecake. I see him. Okay, I see him. Let's turn that off.
Oh, no.
Oh, that wasn't right.
He's teasing us. He sent that kid over here.
He told that kid to go throw that napkin out. I'm so excited. Oh, my menu is open.
That's why you ruined it.
Tricking him.
You ruined it for everyone. If I shoved that in my shirt, would they know?
I'm thinking
I think they'd see that one is missing. I don't know that they'd see it in your shirt.
Candace, I think I'm switching to the Cajun Ranch
They
burger.
won't see that in my
Do
shirt.
it.
It's
Do it.
With no onions.
Turn that off.